Buto.
Christian Ramos.
Fish, seryoso ka sa ano mo? Armor mo? Wala kang
Bakit?
heal yun?
Gagi ka, fish.
Malakas ako eh.
Royal armor. Bueno ka, Carrion Caller. Nagpalit na lang
Christian
sana kayo ng
Ramos.
Carrion Caller. Weirdo.
Kailangan niya kasi ano, di ba? Kailangan niya ng...
Wala pa ako ba ya? Wala pa ako.
Grabe GM nyo. Ay!
Old fish, tigilan mo yan. Wag mo ililik.
Yan na. Oh, walk in agad. I'm gonna pop Jody dito sa stairs. I'm gonna pop Jody. Everyone, look out, may ready. 5, 4, 3, wait, hold, 3, 2, 1, no, sa akin, dip, it's fuck huge. Dito sa motherfucker. Then walk in. Walk with them and spread. Good damage.
Bigla.
Ina,
15 seconds.
kailangan-
Wait.
Hindi pala ako naka-stalker shoes.
15 seconds yung ano ka, pre, ha?
Christian
7 seconds.
Ramos.
Hindi
7
ko
seconds.
mahabol yung hit mo, ang bilis.
Ang
7
layo.
seconds left, first. 7 seconds
Ah,
left.
layo.
Wait.
Pre, Leoric, mag-engage ka pag nakadikit kami sa'yo.
Okay.
Christian Ramos.
Hindi ma-maximize yung noodles natin. GG.
Okay.
Hindi, ano ba, magbiblink ako para habulin ko yung ano mo, yung hit mo.
May ano ako, may night helmet ako guys.
Naka-blink na ako,
guys. Night helmet, I have night helmet, the perma. have
Okay,
night
okay.
helmet.
What
We're gonna
happened?
go.
I don't know, man.
Putik na ano to, old fish. Tigilan mo yan. Upal.
Ay, Leoric, mag-call ka ng English ha, mag-call ka ng English.
Yes, English
Walk with me,
naman,
walk with me. Defense, walk with me. Step up, defense, step up. You need to step up.
Ready na ako man ha.
Step up and spread, okay? Just walk with them. Wala ko rin sa DPS na. Walk. Just walk. Careful, wait. Hold. Can you hold them? Dito. Can you hold the DPS, D-Rank? I need you to go deep, DPS. Defensive. Ready, counter. DPS, ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down sa akin, boy. Fuck, huge. Did it. Good.
Judy on me.
Question doubles inside.
Aray
Can
ko,
you
tang
kill this
ina,
man?
nasa stun.
GG.
Stop po, tagus ko.
Ano, ang sarap no? Ang sarap ng Kingmaker ko. Ah,
Good hit.
Delay yung ano ko,
good
delay yung
job boys,
casting
good
ko.
job.
Kasi,
Nagbaka ko eh.
kahit wala natin execute dito kasi, Kingmaker,
Perma
Kingmaker, Perma, Tagarbing, tas meron pa ako Life Curse eh. Di ba?
Tapos may
So,
Carrion Caller pa,
always
no heal. Let's go.
O, tas may,
Ah,
tapos
okay.
may second pierce pa ako magical, which is yung curse ko.
A bit of feedback. Super. Urek, you guys need to play front, okay? Don't be scared. You guys have defensives. You have a lot of defensives. You can survive any hit. So just play a bit more confident, boys. Since you're super, I also need you to brawl them as much as you can. Just go deep, man. You have defensives. I think you can
Yeah, I think
handle
it's time.
the hit.
Just merc shoes back.
Okay.
Wait lang par. Chill.
Oh,
Wala
you're
pa.
using
Malayo,
defensives
may
to go in, ah? Be careful. Just be careful a bit.
Okay, defensive. I'm gonna pop Judy.
Nice defensive, super.
Hit the part in the walking.
Okay, ready ako ba yun?
Wait, hold kami. Just walk in. Wait for my engage, boys. Be patient. Wait.
Boots ko 20 man, ah. Wala akong
Sige
stocks.
Okay, Niga.
Wala dito, ma.
Yurek, can you hold them, man? Can you hold them, please?
Okay. Serve them.
Can you go deep? Correct. Use your boots or something.
Yeah.
Defensive. Ready to counter. Ready, 5. Wait, hold, 3, 2. Wait, hold. Ah, shit. Mabad.
Naka-flame.
May night.
Can you hit the party? Come back, spicy, come back.
Nagpapataw ng night helmet ah. Sabihin ko na lang din.
Come back. Hit the party ring. Can you heal the party? We have this.
I need to go deep and cast their
Calm down,
DPS, right?
Okay. Calm down.
What?
Christian Ramos.
Old fish.
God,
McLean.
malilate ako sa trabaho. Putang
Oy,
ina.
Leoric. Meron ako night helmet ah. Hindi ko alam kung tinamaan ka ngalan nun. Yung part na yun, night helmet ako.
Sige.
Sabi na
Rain, can you give us stacks, man? So we can play confident as well.
Defensive.
Oh,
Can you go defensive? Ready, go deep.
Nice,
Everyone, boys, go deep.
I have night helmet.
Wait,
I have night helmet. I have
Go deep
night.
now. Can you hold them, Orek? I need you to hold them DPS. So
Dali,
we can
pre.
walk in.
Ayan, mayroon pa
more
wall
na,
flame.
more na.
Okay,
Sige.
come back in the party again. Shit.
10 seconds.
Once na may hinold silang isa,
Guys,
i-counter hits mo
I
agad.
DC'd, I'm back.
Sige lang.
Okay.
Ready
I have
for
made
counter
helmet
gauge tayo
na
lagi
Yorika.
boys ah.
Kailangan ko mga lang naka-stack up tayo. We need to be stuck up for the right
Good
helmet.
job earlier, super.
Defensive, defensive, defensive. Pop your defensive lang.
Sige, sige,
Counter.
boy.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Naku, 6. Fucking huge.
Tangin na, natulak boy.
Good, good. Okay lang. It's all good, all good, all good. We're walking, we're walking, we're walking. Hit the party, we're walking. Hit the party. Can you hit the party on Judy? Stay on Judy muna. Okay, we're walking.
Defensive ko, 10
Para
seconds.
dito
Mas
defensive.
ano, ready ako, ready ako.
First ko wait lang.
Locking na, locking na, locking, locking. Locking na, maglulok na, maglulok na. Prefer defensive.
30 seconds pala tong ano ko. Hindi ako napag...
Okay, I have life course.
I'm walking, just walking, just walking. Walk with them, walk with them.
Yorick, start ka ng 5.
Defensive, 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 defensive na, defensive, defensive,
Ang
defensive.
na. Nasa-silence ako.
Shit.
Puta.
Can you hold it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, now. On me, on me, on me, on me. On the crowd, on the fucking crowd.
Na-silent.
Oh, silent. Okay, okay. We're walking again.
Magsaswap ako ng cleric call ah.
Hindi ko kayang tagusan to.
Okay, hit the party first, Rain. Can you hit the party? Hit fish, can you hit fish? Ah,
Pwede ka mag-ano man?
Spread mo na, spread. Can you spread, can you spread?
Pwede ka mag-R? O sapat pa damage mo?
Ewan ko, hindi na to. Defensive, catch. Good, 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 good.
Night helmet, night helmet,
We're
night
walking,
helmet,
we're
night
walking,
helmet,
we're
night
walking,
helmet.
we're walking, we're walking. Yo, 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 mayroon 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, on the DPS, now. On me, on me, on me. Good. Oh, fuck. Walking, walking. Kulang na pa. Kailan mo nang bumalik?
Gay, ito na ako.
Don't have defensive, 8 seconds. Madaka.
Ay, pwede mo ako bigyan ng 2 minutes man. Lalagin na ako, gago. Wait lang.
Tatanong na damage
Yan,
dito.
yung ano, yung mababaw.
Tatanda.
Try mo si Bansa.
Okay, wait, wait. I'm gonna pop the Judy, okay? Pure. Maglulok yan. Trust me, maglulok yan.
I have night helmet.
Gago.
Sige, sa next R nyo na lang ako. Testingin mo muna.
Defensive, defensive fish. Then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, on me, on me. On me, on me.
Silence
It's
ako,
fucking huge.
putik.
Gago, sakto pa na may life course pierce ko.
Oo nga. Okay lang, all good, all good. Come back, come back, come back, come back, come back. Come back, come back, come back west, come back west. Everyone come back west. Come back, come back. Hit the party.
Mali yung position niya.
Anong dala mo, Leoric?
Heron.
Okay.
May asarang Heron. May one hand piece pa ako. Ano ba? Carving. Dying dirty. It's okay.
Nah man, that's okay, super. You actually did good earlier. Don't worry.
Let me know when to catch. I'm gonna use my boots and catch them.
Okay, defensive.
When you see them
Ready,
try
ready,
to
5,
hit
4, 3, 2,
like that.
1. Now, on me, on me, on me, on me.
Hindi tumama.
Sakto pa naman yung life course pero mo.
My bad, my bad. Yung next hit,
Brawl inside.
naglalagin ako.
Brawl inside, brawl inside. Okay, spread, spread. Come here and spread. Spread mo na, spread. Can you spread? Can you hit the party ring?
Gumagamit.
Hit the party, hit the party.
When exactly do I catch them?
Oh,
I'm
they're
like
looking,
little
they're
confused.
looking.
Who's speaking?
Urek.
When they're
When
engaging.
you see Vance pulling one of us in, you need to jump onto their back line. You have to stop their DPS from hitting us.
Yeah.
Jump, then
Is
A.
there-
You need to protect us. Yeah. You need to protect us, man.
Snare then silence. Okay. It's looking defensive now, defensive now,
Ah,
defensive.
like
Can you
that one.
silence? Oh, good, 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 good. Can you hit the party? Hit the party, hit the party, hit the party, hit the
Night,
party.
night helmet, night helmet, night helmet, night helmet.
Ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, on me, on me, on me. Flip this. Did it. Can you did it, can you did it?
Uy, putang ina, sarap nun.
Walk in, walk in, walk
Ayun
in.
lang, ba't nag-R? Sige, don't hit boys, don't hit.
Come back, come back, come back.
Good job.
You pull.
Teka man, maglalagin.
bad.
Booking ina, malilate. Papagalitan ako.
Yeah, yan lang.
I want to
Ay,
kill
are we
Toad.
going outside
Man, we
again?
can kill Toad. He's using plate armor.
Ah, yeah, you wait lang. I will just finish this. 15 minutes.
Kung gusto natin patayin yung Toad, kailangan may spike tayo.
Oh, yeah, we need spike content to kill
Hey,
him.
open again.
We can punish the front liner.
Okay, you're close.
Do you have a vendetta with Toad? Why do you want him dead?
Come up, come up.
Wait, wait.
The best.
Wait.
Si Catch wala ah. Catch?
Yeah. Yung
Ayun.
kapatid ko.
Yan na si Catch.
I-stun ko to. Walk in. Follow me. Wala. It's nothing, boys. It's nothing, trust me.
Taking cage siya.
Okay.
I will night helmet in firewall Firewall time ako mag-night helmet.
No boots boy no boots ako
Sige lang. Spread, can you spread DPS? Spread. Okay, spread. Maglolok na yan. Prepare for counter.
Kaya mo si Vance yata boy.
Defensive. Ready 5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
Wala ako,
go! Tip! It's fuck you!
Patay talaga yan pre, naka-life
Good
first pierce
shit,
ko eh.
good shit.
Mag-off timer ako boy Mag-off timer ako.
No, wag muna.
Night helmet. Push.
Kung kaya mo i-execute yung toad,
May,
Sige.
May bod, no?
Teka,
May bod
sige,
naman, no?
akin to.
may bod.
May bod.
meron ako.
Okay, good.
Sige lang. Keep on walking. Boys, keep on walking. Left tank, can you hold them? Orek, can you hold the DPS?
Yeah, I'm trying.
Good job man, good job. Yeah, keep that up man. You're doing good.
Yeah, you're doing good, man. Keep walking.
Do you have defensive super? You have defensive right?
I have night helmet,
May lock.
but
May lock na yan ah.
Oh, yeah, maglulok
May
na
lock
yan.
na yan. May
Wala
lock
ako
na yan.
defensive boy 30 seconds. Medyo vulnerable ako, hindi ako makapag-front dito.
Oh, don't. It might have died.
Ar daw?
Okay.
Na-disconnect yata healer nila kaya umalis yung ano,
Hindi ba kasi yung sa namatay kanina?
Great Cross. Oo nga. Yung kaninang hit mo, naka-clear call ako, kaya di kita mapuntahan. Hindi na kasi nakaka-cancel to Paano kaya to? Mercenary shoes ko na lang, no? O sige, mercenary shoes na lang.
I'm stressed already. Chill. Ang sakit ng hit nila
Clotive yun Masakit talaga yun.
Solid na to si no? Si Vance. Solid.
No zombie.
Nyolid, Christian Ramos.
Kupal ka talaga, fish.
Itong macro.
Yun na.
GG. Step up again, the best.
The combo with the heavy mace, Yurek, is
Step up.
snare charge into Q or snare charge into E. You can make that choice.
Orek, come back in.
Okay.
Si Super,
Yeah,
Super,
you're
go
low.
back a bit. Try get some heals.
Defensive. Yo, look at me, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, now boys. On the crowd, on the fucking crowd. Okay, we walk in. Hello, can you heal the party? I'm gonna pop Judy. Heal the party yung Judy.
I have night helmet,
Party yung
okay?
Judy.
For the choke.
May Judy din ako ah.
Sige lang, we walk in. Fish, come back, fish. Kailangan
I have
mo
night
come
helmet
back.
for this. Night.
Good.
Looking na
Look at me,
looking na.
look at me. Ready in 5? Wait, hold.
Got sand.
Oh, shit. Let's
R?
split yung party.
R?
Wala naman, boss.
precious
Nag-split yung party niya. Nag-split. Ano yun detrimental sa kite club, sa kite comp naghihiwalay.
Ikaw nang gigigil na si Vance.
Come back northeast.
Okay. Tara.
Defensives ko, ano lang per.
Gagi, pinapagalitan na ni
Mercies
Vance.
lang.
Dapat lang, ganyan dapat.
Pagalitan mo rin kami, Leoric.
Shish, masokista si Spicy.
Christian Ramos is
Love language.
GG. Step up again, step up.
Mag-type ka na.
Step up.
Okay, lahat kayo, kadikit na si si Vance.
Spread.
Wait lang pre ah. Wait lang.
Step up.
Pag nakita mo na ako.
In my range.
Pag nakita mo na ako.
Hindi, life curse. Tail. Okay. Okay na yan. Ay, hindi pa rin natatawa.
Nadudugo to si Vance,
We have
No.
night.
Go deep, man. Go deep, boys.
Go deep.
Go, engage ka na
Ano,
Bert.
game.
Di ba? Wala pa sa range ko.
Ito na.
Ayun lang.
Keep on
Ayun lang.
walking.
Sayang. Hindi, ano, may wall?
Kaya man.
Man, hindi abot eh.
Ito.
Keep on walking.
Tayo dito kay Todd, no?
Pwede ko,
Ano?
pwede akong pang
Kasi
setup
yung
yung perma ko. Pwede ka mag-count ng 5. Kung hindi din na, hindi ata aabot eh. Kahit mag-ganon.
Ano ba
Tayo na, napasok ko na sila deep oh.
30 seconds kasi yung perma mo eh.
Na,
Kung nakasasin block, pwede ka
Defensive,
mag-pick
defensive. Good,
Uy,
good,
ano
good.
na?
pwede mo
Yo,
na.
yo, yo, yo.
Pero hindi ako.
Hindi ako makapag-walk-in nga pa. Sige.
Next firewall, ano, meron ako night helmet. Leoric.
Labas na.
Rain, can you give me heals please? Can I have some? Thank you.
Kaset kaya tayo.
Hindi siya sasalita.
Hindi, okay
Tama
na.
yan.
Night helmet, I have night. I have night. Walk through.
Can I have more heals?
Walk-in. Just keep on
Thanks,
Ito,
walking.
hindi natin to kaya yan.
Keep on walking. Can you spell, can you spell?
Looking na yun, no? Damn. Sa next choke yan, maglo-lock na.
Ayun na.
Sana ko. Defensive. Red in 5. Wait, hold. 3, 2, 1. Now, on me. Hit the Haron.
Tangina, natutulak. Bad trip.
Fish, late yung E mo.
Okay sa'yo Heron boy. Okay sa'yo Heron. Hindi.
Malay ko.
Night helmet.
Hindi, main damage mo Heron.
Going. Tangay na talaga, hirap akong mag-walk.
Manggaling ka sa
defense
malayo, ano ka, Kobe ka, mag-Kobe.
Yo, red in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, on me, it's fucking huge. Did it, motherfucker. Did it.
Yeah, keep on rolling.
Bro, question damage yung.
Nice one.
Good shit, good.
Nice, good.
Keep on walking. Good hold. May question
Hindi
damage,
niya
please,
ata.
Def.
Yeah, patayin nyo to. It's group beeper.
Question damage.
It's group beeper.
Question damage. Hello.
Hindi ako pwede pag ano.
Ready ako ah.
Sige lang, wala pa.
8 seconds pa.
Yo, may mga engage.
I have night helmet ah. I have night. Night ready.
Defensive, no? May defensive.
Ready.
na.
Night helmet,
Rain,
night helmet.
are you lagging, Rain? It's because I'm not getting in much heals, man.
Sorry for that.
Keep on walking.
Nah, it's okay.
No, night.
It's just that I can't walk up as well.
Yo, look at me, ah.
Paangat
Wala ako man ah, wala ako.
Salubungin ko sila sa taas.
Okay, GG.
Ayaw mo mag-Kobe, yung galing ka sa labas, papalaob. Kobe.
Defensive fish, yung defensive. Hit the party.
Night helmet
hit the party,
ready.
hit the
Night
party.
helmet
Five,
ready.
4, 3,
Night helmet.
2, 1. Did it D-tank. Question W. Did it, that motherfucker. What the
Holy beam.
fuck?
Can't do anything with the holy beam.
Walking.
Leoric.
10 seconds.
Hayaan mo ako mag
Ano?
Heron man.
Ano? Heron, bahala ka na. Dali mo.
Pero pag Heron...
Di ba ako sumali?
Hindi pa nag-reset.
Ano kailangan kasi magpa-stack pa kami ng Leoric eh.
Walking.
Mag-arc ka
Hindi
na.
namin kaya yung ano, hindi
ba?
namin kaya headbutt. Mabilis ang headbutt.
Engage ko to, gusto nyo?
Sige.
Si Healer, ah.
Ready.
Wait, after ng ano niya. After ng rogue niya.
Oh, didi.
So, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. On this 2. Damage.
Ayan. O, diba?
Arna.
daw.
Wala na silang heal.
Detect
Ang
kayo.
hirap dito mag-calving kasi kailangan ko pa magpa-stack.
Spirit
Oo,
Hunter.
hirap din ako.
Spirit Hunter.
Hirap din ako.
Kahit yung Kingmaker, it's either mahuhuli ko dahil kailangan ko gumamit defensive para habulin ka.
Hindi, ano ka Iron Will. Q2.
Hindi, napipigilan ako nung tank eh. So kailangan ko mag-dash papunta kay Leoric para habulin yung hit niya. Pag Heron, wala akong ganong issue eh. Saka may stun to, ang tagal kong hiuhold yan.
Sige. Kung mag-ano ka, Heron, may DPS ka fish, wala pa tayong...
Floaty sila wala sila ganong armor.
Mag-shadow color ba ako for pierce na lang natin? Para range din yung pierce.
Yeah, wala rin sila ganong armor eh.
Hindi, okay na to damage natin eh.
Pure damage
Mas
na lang.
spicy, kaya mo kaya mag-impale. Mas maganda
It's
natin
either,
impale dito eh.
it's either
Okay,
ikaw
kailan lang.
mag-engage o ako.
Ano yan?
Either ikaw mag-engage o ako.
Sige lang.
May fake engage tayo. Fake engage.
Shish. Fake engage 8 man.
8 man.
Gago nang gigigil na si Pans.
Yes, 15 minutes nga lang. Wait lang. It's at 15 minutes here.
How many minutes na lang?
4. 5
GG.
pala, 5. O baka maipit ka
Bicycle. Bicycle.
Hindi na ba?
Ready na ba? Ready na?
Di ba?
Tagal.
Nag-ano na ako, nag-hunter shoes na ako. Backline agad to.
Ano yun, tatalon
Wak,
ka
wak, wak,
from
wak,
outside.
Walking. Yo.
From back.
Nag-night helmet na,
back to
nag-night
front
helmet.
ka.
Maglulok yan.
Nag-night helmet na.
Maglulok yan ah.
Dali, mag-blink in ako.
Sige. Yo, I'm gonna walk. Yo, look at me. Yo, pop in the defensive. Yo, look at me. Ready, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Tura, kill it!
Na-Stanford.
Ay.
Hindi, pero goods pa rin. 10 seconds, may hit na ako.
Nagulat niya may earth run.
Gago naglag ano ko, Albion ko. Teka.
Ayun lang.
Gago nasa ako Albion ko. Tangay na ba't may Earth Run?
Kinakap siya ka damage, boss Pew.
Gagi,
Hindi,
nag-engage nga yung
hindi ko
Earthron,
nabagsak yung ano, hindi ko nabagsak yung perma.
Gagi,
try pa
na-engage
natin.
nga yung Earthron eh.
Ikaw
Natuloy
mag-call,
na
ikaw mag-call. May dalawang hero. G ka.
Dalawang hero
Dalawa.
na.
Ito double hero.
May dalawang hero. Hindi, may dalawang carving. Carving.
Wait lang. Carving ka na.
Nice one, Yurek. Nice one. Good job, man.
Force through tayo.
I'm gonna need some heals. Thank you for the heals, man.
Tapos duty,
We
tapos
have
duty.
engage, we have engage.
Ready.
Ready, boy.
Wait. Looking ako backline ha. Looking backline. Wait. Don't. Wait lang. Hintay lang natin yung ring.
Heals, Bray. Thank you, man.
Palagay ng crown kaya, no? Palagay ng crown. Kay,
Kinino? Boss Pew, teka.
Natakbo.
Oh, okay na.
Wait. Looking sila.
5 seconds pa yung night
Baka
helmet
mag-lock
ko.
yan. Baka mag-lock. Wait, boys.
Night helmet, ano na, CD na.
Ano gamit ng fish?
Pag nag-engage sila, engage din tayo ah.
Okay.
Sige.
Wait.
Ayun na.
Okay, nag-engage na. Ready. Looking. 3, 2, 1. Gino. G. Kill it. Hit the motherfuckers. Nice one.
Napakaangas. Christian Ramos
Reset
lang
daw,
malakas.
Reset daw.
Baliwang kota. Good job, boys. Good job. That was very good, Yurek. Good job, man.
So, maganda
Hindi, no?
bird sa pala mag-breaker. Dali
Hindi
pa
na.
na net-type tama eh.
Isa pa ka mo. Isa pa engage.
So, may engage ka to. Isa pa.
Engage. Bitin ako eh.
One more fate.
Wait lang,
one more
chill.
engage.
Wala pa yata. Si Vance namatayan eh. So, kailangan niyang ano.
Hindi, sabi nila GG's daw eh.
Angas pala ng ano per rhythm breaker eh. Ang dali pa tama. Ano mahirap?
Oo. Yung ano, yung talon lang na part, pag masyado ka malapit yung mahirap. Pag medyo malayo ka, ay mas madali.
Okay.
Oh, pag hahabulin mo yung hit, kaya pa eh. Pero
Pero
kapag
yung-
kadikit mo,
Oo, kadikit.
tangina,
Pero mga ano,
nakakalito yun. Oo.
brawl into clap, ayun yung medyo mas mahirap.
G na yata to.
Pero dito, pag kahit yung kalaban, madali lang.
Oh,
No?
mas madali kasi parang
Ah.
linear lang yung ano natin eh.
Okay.
Kasi ano, crucial kasi yung ano, crucial
Chasing
yung
daw.
damage.
Stop chasing daw. Stop chasing.
Stop chasing?
Ay,
Stop
stop chasing.
chasing. Stop chasing.
Di yan.
Sabi nila, stop chasing.
Oh.
Wait, stop chasing daw. Nag-reset
Hindi ko alam. Nagre-reset.
Hindi. Ano, parang joke lang yata yun eh.
Ah, okay.
Wait ba?
Wait.
Hindi.
Hindi na, nag-skill sila.
Okay.
Facing ako ah, wait lang.
Pwede natin patayin ng caller. Sobrang low ng caller.
Wag na siguro yung caller.
Gagi, wag si Vance. Mawawala na ng ano yan.
Maano agad yung...
Wala nang gana yan.
I mean,
Ready,
wala
ah?
na agad.
Main part
na
main
agad.
part.
Ayan na, looking.
Night na...
Offensive. Ready, 3, 2, 1. GG. No. Ito, kahit isa lang.
Nag-night sila.
Night, I don't
Nag-night sila. Nag-night helmet. Kaya hindi na ano.
Good hold, Yurek. Good hold.
Ay, hindi nga pala.
Good hold, man, good hold. Boys, kailangan nyo na i-pop. Lahat. Pop everything, boys. We don't have time. Just drop everything, man. No time.
17
Ready, ah?
seconds. Wait.
Ready.
8,
Oh,
7. 6.
Ano napipila?
Ito, itong dalawa.
Don't have CD yet.
Lala.
Hindi ka na maaga.
Hindi. Naka-ano yan. Busok balor. Kaya di na ano. Napakaangas.
Talo sila.